There was hundreds of butterflies who came by the shoes. They start to carry the shoes up into the air. Hundreds of them taking the shoes off down the river. Down there, till we could not see them. It's so warm here. You're inside this body. Wide. It's wet. We found this hole. Stealing the raspberries. Swallow this. This voice is the sun touching your face. Feel the sun in your mouth. It's so hot. You swallow the sun. The rocks are naked. It's so nice. Oh, it feels so good. The bird is naked. His voice is a bird on your hand. So soft. Here. You're inside the blue. The bird came here when we saw earlier. He just came back and went. He dropped it out of his mouth, spit it out of his beak. Yes, someone might have lost his eye for a child. He just jumped a few steps and flew up heaven. Oh, the water is naked. A cloud just fell. You are in the middle there, in the middle of this woman. In the image. You enjoy it. This image is undressing you. It's wet. This image is kissing you.
Dove siamo?
Stop. Soft shadow on your face. This bird is inside your mouth. You are naked. Tastes sweet, a little bit sour, a bit like a metal. Come closer. The birds are in the room with us, flying around the room. The birds are eating the raspberry from the